Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to test the speed of your internet using an app called Speedtest. To get the app, you need to go to Google Play Store and type in Speedtest. Install and run the app. In order to use this app, you just have to tap on the Go button and it will start doing the test till you find out the speed of your internet. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading a video every single Saturday. So please hit that notification bell button till you not miss any of my videos.